I'm Bernie, and I'm going to be making you an Adios. So an Adios is very popular on the West Coast. It's a variation of the Long Island iced tea, which is pretty much 4 liquors, a little mixer. We're going to take 0.5 vodka. We are going to take 0.5 of gin. We're also going to take 0.5 of tequila. You're right. You're thinking, wow, why would you mix those things? Well, it's in order to forget your night, usually. This is a very popular drink at nightclubs. 0.5 of rum. That was 0.5 of everything. Pretty much equal parts to make this drink what it is. You'll see it sometimes served in a larger pint glass. That's a little excessive. So you don't want to necessarily do that. And what makes the Adios what it is blue Curaçao. You're going to do blue Curaçao instead of the Coca-Cola that you would normally put inside of a Long Island iced tea. And that is going to give it a signature color. There are many ways that you can do this drink. You can do a variation with Midori instead of the Coca-Cola if you would like, and that makes it a Tokyo tea. A Grateful Dead is going to be with Chambord, so it's like a raspberry. But your classic is always going to be a little mix of sweet and sour and Coca-Cola. That last ingredient I put in there was sweet and sour. And this is a great way to start off your night. Where it goes from there is up to you. But I know I have made many of these in the club for many of my friends. And many of my drunk friends, yeah. And now you're one too. Enjoy. Thanks for hanging out with us here at LV Bartenders. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future cocktails, tips, and industry insights. Until next time, drink smart, stay creative, and we'll see you behind the bar.